You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. There are different pronunciations, hence the confusion in English. British English pronunciation is usually as Beatty. Beatty. Now, in American English, it's either Beatty, generally as a first name, now as a surname. It's also pronounced as Beatty, as in Warren Beatty, for example. Now, how do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let us know too. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.